हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे कि हम एक HTML फाइल में CSS कितने टाइप से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले हम आ जाते हैं अपने डेस्कटॉप पे और डेस्कटॉप पे एक फ़ोल्डर बनाते हैं जिसका नाम रहेगा अप्लाई CSS। और इस फोल्डर में हम लोग इंटर कर जाते हैं यूजिंग CMD, ठीक। और CMD पैनल पे जब हम लोग ये फोल्डर ओपन करते हैं तो उसमें हम जाते हैं कोड स्पेस डॉट, जो कि आपका डायरेक्ट VS कोड ओपन होगा। इसके बाद फिर इसमें हम लोग एक फाइल बनाते हैं index.html नाम से फाइल बनाते हैं और इसमें हम ऑटो जनरेटेड बॉयलर कोड लिखते हैं जो कि होगा हमारा explanation marks. Then we change the title of HTML page, that is how new file. Okay, then we create a tag, HTML tag, that is h1 heading tag, in which we write hello bachcho, so on. And we also create a paragraph tag in which we write good morning and so on. And next we create inline CSS, that can be the fastest CSS from others, including external and internal. We can create inline CSS by using style tag, and in which we can use the color, that is aqua, and text alignment, that is the center. Okay, for the h1 tag, heading tag. And we also create the style tag for paragraph tag, that is color is red, and also the text align is center. And we check whether it is right or wrong in the browser. You can use Chrome, either Microsoft Edge. We can run. So here we can see the output will be run on the browser. That is, we take the input given by the inline CSS, and here we can remove the inline CSS and we can apply the internal CSS. How to apply internal CSS? We can apply the internal CSS by using style tag between the head tag or between the body tag. Both we can use the style tag and so on. We can use style tag. Here's the comment for internal CSS. You can write the comments in the HTML tag, that is the open bracket explanation mark hyphen, then your comments. We can create the style tag, in which we can create for h1 tag we can create the color, that is the brown, and we also create the text alignment, that is the center, where your text can be the show in the browser. And for paragraph tag we can also use the CSS, that is the text align, that is color black, and text alignment is center. Yes, you can write it, then we can run it. Here we can see the output will be so in the browser, that is hello bachcho, that is in the form of brown, and the paragraph tag is, that is the form of black color. And then we moving forward to the next. For external CSS we can create another file and we can link to the index.html file. Here we can comment out the style tag for internal CSS, and we can write the external CSS for next. Here we can comment out and creating new file, that is style.css. For the external css we can use in another file. In the industry level there is the use of external css is highly, because of company should be well architectured and well structured. That's why we can use the external css in industry level. But at the in the context of working, the inline css working highly as compared to the internal css and external css. Here we can link the style.css file into the index.html file. We can link using link tag, and that can be related to style sheet and hyper reference to the style.css file that can be the created, and in which we can directly write down the tags, h1 tags, that is color, that is green, and we can write the text alignment, that is the also the center. And in the paragraph tag we can use the color tag, color property, that is the red, and font size, that is the decide the font size, that is 18 pixel, and we also correct it and check out to browser whether it is right or wrong. In the index.html file everything is right, and in the browser we can see the output will be so, that is hello bachcha and good morning. In the paragraph tag we cannot use the text alignment, that's why it cannot be show the center. This is the all about how to apply css on the web application. And we can comment out the this for external css, that is all about what you write and what you think, and in which thank you for your watching the video. Please like and subscribe.